So I started woodworking when I was working on a project with my grandpa. It was just little projects at first, and then I met my wife and we started cooking together, and I wanted to make something that spoke to that. Our number one seller of all time has been our standard chef spoon. We make a very curvy spoon that people generally don't see, and that combined with our chiseled handle really makes it a unique looking product. Our cheese and charcuterie boards are very popular as well. I really like the bottle openers that we make too. They just have a very strong grip to them. So each of our products starts out as a piece of urban lumber. We get it from a local mill. From there we cut it out and then we chisel it out by hand, and then we give it some sanding. The products that take the longest for us to make are our baguette trays or our platters. Generally you're looking at about 8 hours to carve that from start to finish. What Illinois Made means to me is that it really speaks to our community, but it also gives us the opportunity to kind of show that character and art culture and a little bit of grit that we have going on here. So it gives us an opportunity to shine to the whole state and also to the whole country.